In the beautiful Pacific Palisades, CA, Tom's once gleaming travertine floors had lost their shine. Seeking a professional touch, Tom turned to the experts at Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. The professionals of Titan's Natural Stone Restoration meticulously assessed the condition of the floors. They diligently restored, polished and sealed the travertine floor at Tom's house. The travertine floors were brought back to factory-like shine and new condition. Tom was truly impressed with the top-class natural stone restoration work of Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Like Tom, do you want to avail the services of Titan's Natural Stone Restoration? Call Titan's Natural Stone Restoration at 866-686-1637 for a free phone estimate for your project. Go to www.titansrestore.com for more details.